Welcome to the second video of the series of simple 3D models in Siemens NX. Let's get started. We press new. We're going to be making a model, so we select model, give it a name. It's going to be our second model, and the folder where the file will be saved. Press OK. We go to the sketch. We can select the plane. Press OK, and we're going to start with a rectangle and another one, and we're going to trim this line to get a rough shape of the model we're making, like so. We just swipe across, and the first dimension is 180 millimeters. Next we got 40 here. And this dimension is the same as this one, so we can select them both and make them equal. The equal operation. Next, the height of this dimension is 50. And the overall height is 90. Now we're gonna have to make some holes. We got two holes. We're gonna use the circle operation to make them. One and the second one. The diameter is 15 millimeters, so is the second one. So we can use a equal option again, and they are 150 millimeters from their midpoint. 150 and 15 from the side. And we need to add one more dimension, the circle height. So select here and here, and their height is also 15. And down the bottom we can tell that the sketch is fully defined. So we can proceed to extrude it. It's gonna be 40. So we press extrude, input the 40 millimeters, apply. Now we can add our edge blend operation. We got 6 10 millimeter ones and 2 15 millimeter ones. So we're gonna start with the 10 millimeter ones, and just add them where they're supposed to be. And to add the bottom ones with the different dimension, we don't have to exit out of the operation. We can just press this circle with the plus inside, add new set. We can change the value to 15 and just add them at the bottom. And now that the model is complete, we can turn off the sketch and the datum coordinate by pressing Ctrl-W, hide the datums and hide the sketches. And the model is complete.